Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Facebook Pay. So let's start. First, open the Facebook app. Now tap on three bars on top right corner. Now scroll down. And then tap on See More. And here you will see Facebook Pay. Tap on that. By using Facebook Pay, you can donate to any cause, send money to your friends, and shop on Facebook Marketplace. But before making any transaction, you have to set up your payment method. At the top of the screen, you will see payment methods. You can add your debit or credit card as well as your PayPal account. Then you will see payment history. Since I have not made any transaction, that's why there is no payment history. Then you will see your balance as Facebook stars. You can also buy stars to donate, as well as send money. Now go to Settings. To make your payment secure, you can enable PIN. You can create a PIN to confirm every transaction you make. You can also use your biometric data instead of PIN number. Then you will see Order Info. You can add your shipping address from here, as well as your contact information. You can also set up your currency. And when you are done, you can easily donate, send money, and shop securely on the Facebook Marketplace from here. But before that, you have to remember that you have to set up your payment method. And that's how you can use Facebook Pay. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.